Hey, we back with another fucking banger vid. As y'all can see by the fucking title, y'all know what came in. Y'all know what came in the mail today, man. We not even gonna play with it. H&R's, nigga. H&R's is in. As y'all can see from the last vid, I got the same clothes on. As if I dropped this vid, so. Yeah, I came from the car meet, I come home, my H&R's are here. I ordered them on the 20th, they came in 2 days, 22nd. Hopefully the fitment on this car looks amazing now because it should be fake pissing me off. Can't lie, it just looks so like the back, the rear of the car just looks so fucking monster truck, bro. I'm driving. But yeah, make sure I like, comment, subscribe, turn those notifications if y'all new to the channel. Whenever I get in contact, it's Sunday right now, so they're closed. Can't even get in contact with my mechanic or somebody to install it. So we're gonna wait till tomorrow. Have somebody install it tomorrow. Hopefully the fitment's fire. I'm gonna get an alignment too. So yeah, we're gonna see how the car looking after the springs.
Them boys is outside right now. Them boys is outside. Oh yeah. Get shifty, Swerve. Get shifty, Swerve. We going right. We going right, Swerve. We got the same idea, Swerve. But look, he's scared of the 700 HP. Why he too body big leaning? Why he too body big leaning? Oh, what? Oh, nah. Big expo over there. Huh? X6, X6.
Yo, so it's later on in the day after I went to that shit in the morning. This shit active. Got the Bucky's lit. BMWs all down the line. Straight BMWs, nothing less. If you don't see a BMW, slap the shit out of me, nigga. Oh my god. Oh, this nigga got a Benz here. Acceptable Benz. Yeah. Nah, yeah, this shit fire, bro.
Nice to meet you, man. Andres.
I'm Sugar. Nice to meet you, bro.
This shit active. It's crazy. I would have never knew about this.
You got the hardest beat.
I wonder what he thinking, because if I was the owner of this gas station, I'm like, nah, y'all gotta go.
It makes it look bad. We're going to pull up, we'll have a link all the way down there, which is even further away, and yeah, they'll still come out,
Nah, yeah, I've been to one all the way over there before too, but it was chill. It wasn't nothing crazy. They didn't come out for that. Actually, they did come out, and it wasn't even crazy. So they definitely might kick us out this shit. Damn. Whole lot of beams, whole lot of M's too, not even just regular BMWs too, a whole lot of M's. That's what make it even hammer too.
It's also another 540, this shit quick.
Wait, whose is it?
My buddy, his name's CJ Healy car here. I'm telling you, bro.
I think I seen it. It got the arcade sticker on it, right?
Yeah. And here's what I was telling you, got the front mount, so you can hear it.
Yeah, definitely gotta hear that.
What's your favorite view you've seen so far, other than
mine?
Not other than yours, bro.
That G30 Swerve guy. Shit fire, bro. This shit fire,
No
bro.
promos yet? I hear it. G85
That
too.
shit is, man, zoom in on that. Zoom in on that shit. Yellow headlights?
He talks with the yellow headlights. I can't front. He talked with the yellow headlights.
And
that shit is ham over there. Yo, that's tough. Yo, that one is tough.
And he got yellow calipers?
Yellow calibers? To match the headlights, that's ham. That's fire right there. That's fire. Yo, that shit is ham. Yo! That shit is crazy. That shit is crazy. What the fuck? Nah, he's a genius.
Yo,
He's a genius.
nah, he might actually be a genius.
Nah, he's a genius. He has to be. What else could he be? What else could he be? Oh my god. Nah, yeah, this guy talk. I can't front. This guy talk. This guy talk.
Nah, this is the best car out here, bro.
Nah, yeah, this guy talk. I cannot lie.
Wait a minute. His name's Swerve too?
Nah. Yo, great minds think alike?
He got extra R and shit though.
Nah, yeah. He probably
This shit,
upstairs.
man.
That shit is OD.
This color is fire.
It's coming fire, right?
Yeah, it's fire. Got a BMW bike. Bikes is out, bikies. Yo, bro, what we doing with these, bro? What we doing with these Benzes, bro? Now this color is ham though, I can't lie. This is a ham color.
This is the best car in the
This is a ham color, bro. And it matched the interior. Oh, he performed. He performed. That super look pain. Good plate, good plates. AMGs are slow, smart man. This is some pain. Oh my god, why fucking body this shit too? Oh my god. Oh my god.
How much horsepower think this is?
I don't know, it's a B58, bro, but he wide body, got a nice wing on it. I'm gonna assume he got a lot of modifications, so I'm gonna guess 8 to 900. 8 to 900, I'm gonna give him 8 to 900. I'm gonna give him 8 to 900 on this one. He got beat locks on the shit. Yeah, I'm gonna give him 8 to 900.
Swerve Jr. not fucking with that, or Swerve Jr. fucking with that? Swerve Jr.
You know Swerve Jr. fucking with anything, bro. He has to, bro. He has too much heart. Too much heart, bro. I'm his father, bro. Heart over horse, nigga. Heart over horse. This is the color I wanted. Like, this was the color. This is the color I wanted to get, bro. Yo, this is my next rap. I want to do a rap. This color's ham.
He gonna tell you to do it, though.
This color with yellow headlights, ham. I'm already seeing it. You see this? This is what could have been mine, but I passed it up to go faster. So what's going on here? As you see, we are back. It's the next day after that little car meet and shit. And we're about to take Springs over to the shop right now. I'm ready right now. About to head on out, head over there, pick back up the camera. He told me it would take like around the whole day since it's like 12 o'clock right now. So yeah, I'm gonna get some film for y'all, like some BTS and shit like that when they putting the Springs on, hopefully. And yeah, hopefully this bitch is fitment crazy. Drop the car off now. About to leave. It should take like 2 hours or so. Hopefully this shit looks way better. My hand shaking. Oh, let me actually get the fitment before and after. So this is how it looked before. With the front, then you got the back. Oh yeah. Now we about to leave. They about to work. I'm about to cut with the bros real quick somewhere, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. Let me get this. We got the spring in the back seat. Oh yeah. Now we out of here. Oh yeah, so it's been a little minute since I dropped the car off, probably like 5 hours. But yeah, car back there. He did put the springs on. It took him a little while because he had to take the back seats out and shit. I'm about to just get in alignment. I'm waiting for him to finish with the alignment. Then we're gonna see this fitment. Hopefully this shit sitting fucking flush and nice, bro. But it gotta settle, so I'm gonna have it settle in, and then I'm gonna show you how it look after the springs and then after it's settled in. Tight shit. So yeah, we have to get the car wash. I'm about to take some thumbnail pictures. And as y'all can see the fitment now, I did drive it a little bit. Like, look at that fitment. Look at that fucking fitment, chat. Look at this. One finger now. One finger now. Oh my god, the fitment's fucking beautiful. Like before, nigga, I think I used to be able to fit. This one's like a little higher. But like, it's really one finger now. I used to fit 3 fingers. Oh, it might be touching. Shit. What's that? I think it's scraping, y'all. I think that side touching. I don't feel that here. I don't know what nigga got going on, but y'all see that right there? Damn. What I'm gonna do about that? We gonna keep driving. Shit, we just gonna keep driving. Fuck it. But yeah, I'm about to take some thumbnail pictures. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications. That's gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna try to get a better angle actually. But yeah, we out of here. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Yeah, I know I couldn't end the video that early, but yeah, it's the next day after I lowered it. You know, it take a you know, a little longer to settle. So, and it was nighttime, so I'm gonna show y'all it now. This shit looks perfect. Oh my goodness. But we have an issue here. Like I said before, it's like, yeah, type shit. I don't know if it's my tire or what, but the fitment is amazing now. Amazing fitment. One finger fitment now. Before I was able to fit, I think 3 of them fuckers in there, bro. 3 fingers is not fucking crazy. But yeah, now, this is gonna be the end of the video. Let me show you this side, just in case. Hopefully I can see. Ride height looks amazing. Yeah, I went to a place that I get my car detailed, and they already noticed my shit the moment I pulled up, so it's very noticeable. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications. This is gonna be the end of the video.